Because A is different than I. No, that's what I got for A. Then I got mine wrong. I got mine wrong. That's the problem with long
How you guys doing?
So how did you get
Huh?
to the for the line for the equation? How did you get
Oh, how to put it in?
Yeah, the equation.
So you hit white. It's kind of nice. You got white equation.
All right, guys. Let's see if we can do the rest of this here. So R is 0.738. Right?
Yeah.
Actually rounding that. And so on a test, I would tell you that for this sample size, it probably requires about an R of 0.4 roughly to show evidence of correlation. So I would say this is decently strong. Correlation is not quite close to 1, but it's definitely more than was required to show correlation. Now on a test, I'm going to make it clearly one or the other, so you don't have to be like a wine connoisseur and say, oh, this guy's like this. No, it's going to be like 0.95 or 0.13. I'm going to make it really clear what you got to say. You don't have to say, well, what adjective should I use for this 0.71? No. But this one, I would say officially, it's decently strong. So just say yes. It's some kind of variation of strong. Yes?
Would it be wrong if we did 0.74 if we rounded that?
No, it's fine. Yeah. Yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. But now I can write down my line of best fit equation. So I got that. So if I put that into my calculator now, 0.66x plus 70.97. Of course, now why is nothing showing up for me? So it's zoom 9. I like it. Cool. You guys get that?
Yes.
All right. So this kind of verifies what we just said. That is a really good correlation. Right? There's not one, right? So it's not strong. That's why I say decently strong. But it's pretty good. I would trust this line to make predictions for me. Would you trust it? Yes.
Yes.
So this one was about the number of hours somebody studied versus the grade they would make. So let's try this. Let's say you say, well, what if I study 11 hours? What grade can I predict myself to make? Does anyone have any idea I can use what we've discovered to answer that question?
Put the 11 hours into the X value.
Yeah, which variable represents hours? The X, that's my input. That's the first column. So if I said, what about 11 hours of study? What grade can I predict? It would be 0.66 times 11 plus 70.97. 78?
Really?
Yes, sir.
So it's safe to say the stronger the relationship, the more you can trust it.
Yes, exactly. Now, again, this all, if I, as a student, increased the amount of hours I study, will I definitely have a higher grade?
Yes.
No. Nope. You cannot say that from this study. All this study shows you is there is a relationship between the hours studied by somebody and the grade they currently have. We did not do a study that said if you change how many hours you study, will it change your grade? That's not what this study does. This is like a preliminary study to see where things are. And they say, well, maybe there is an effect between these two. Then you got to do a different kind of study where you have somebody change their habits and see if that changes their grade. Does that?
Mm-hmm.
So sort of like if you saw a relationship between the amount of oats somebody ate and their cardiovascular fitness, right? You're not going to just go the next day, hopefully, although it seems like it happens sometimes, and say, everybody eat more oats. Oh my God, eat oats like crazy. No, you're going to do a study. You're going to give some people more oats, or you're going to tell them, ask them how many oats you already eat and see if you can get a lot of variation and then see how their health. Now, what else do you have to account for, though? What else? Why is this not a great thing? What does it only compare ever at most 2 things? How many things affect your cardiovascular fitness? A lot of things. Right? So if you ever watch Mythbusters, they very often would say we got to control for other variables. Because they were only interested in how this affects this. So they got to control for your how much do you exercise, what's your genes, all this other stuff, right? Not these, but the genes. All right. I like it. Yeah, exactly. Big Macs you eat. Or just one every couple hours. All right. So you're gonna love this handout. I love it. To do this handout best, you do sort of need some kind of a straight edge. So you could use like the edge of a piece of paper or the edge of a book. Are you guys kind of with me? Mm-hmm. You guys are like, okay, do I need a protractor? No. So, if you want to work